Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. If you like and enjoy my video, please give us a thumbs up and do leave your valuable comments under the comment section below. So today's unique recipe out of the box is Eggless Mayonnaise dips. This will be 4 ways mayonnaise, the classic one, and the garlic, the tomato chili mayonnaise, also along with that a pepper mayonnaise, which is very simple, just like the classic one. So let us have a look onto the ingredient list now. This is a complete eggless mayonnaise. So let us now begin. Here I have taken olive oil. We'll be using only half cup of olive oil. Any brand of olive oil can be used. Herbs, around 1 to 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar, powdered form or the normal one. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This is synthetic vinegar. 3 garlic pods. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Some chopped coriander, around 1/3 cup. And 1 cup of full fat milk. You can also use soya milk instead if you want to go vegan. Add the milk. Here I've taken around 1 cup. Start adding the olive oil into batches. See that you go very slow while adding it and start blending. You can also hand blend them or hand whisk them. Now to this I'm adding sugar. You can also add powdered form of sugar too. And next 5 minutes you need to whisk again. Keep on adding the olive oil. Post 2 to 5 minutes, we shall add some salt as per your taste. Roughly I've used 1 tablespoon and then whisk for next 2 to 3 minutes. Post 3 minutes, you can now add the vinegar. This is synthetic vinegar. I have used 2 tablespoons of synthetic vinegar. While I do this, you need to keep on adding the olive oil as well. Slowly, please keep on blending for next 10 minutes or so unless you get the desired consistency. It took me around 15 minutes or so because I wanted a more batch and the consistency I wasn't happy much. So exactly 15 minutes. Post that you will get your consistency which is perfectly formed. It's always better to take full fat chilled milk before starting. I just forgot to mention that. Post 15 minutes of blending, my mayonnaise is ready to go into the freezer. That is the refrigerator, not the exact freezer point. Also, now you can divide them and add in your flavors accordingly. So I will save 1 batch of a classic mayonnaise and other 3 batches will be doing the flavors. Our first batch will be simple pepper one and the second one with the garlic, coriander and the tomato chili flavor one. So let us begin with the garlic and the coriander one. I'm just adding the chili just for the spice hint. It's completely optional. So here goes the garlic, some coriander leaves, roughly chopped, and blend. If you want to add some salt, you can add in. So this one I'm just adding some pepper, a simple one, pepper to the mayonnaise. And if you want to add some salt, you can add in at this point of time and mix them well. So our second batch will be tomato chili one. So I'm just adding some chili flakes to it, to the mayonnaise. and some tomato ketchup. Be generous or whatever flavors is okay for you. And then herbs. And give it a good quick mix. The last, not least, the pre-done garlic and coriander mix. Just add in into the eggless mayonnaise and give it a quick mix. So our third batch is also ready. And we will just keep the classic one as a normal one without adding anything to it. So here goes the garlic and the coriander mix one, the simple pepper mayonnaise, and the tomato flavor, that is the ketchup flavor mayonnaise. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video today. The unique out of the box, completely eggless mayonnaise dips in 4 different ways. Please stay connected with us and don't forget to subscribe Dimple's An Arabian Journey. Thanks for watching.